right, hi. Is this recording? It is. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to sync up Canvas and Skyward. I think someone did a lot on the back end because all we have to do, it's pretty easy. Let me make this small so you can see the whole thing. Okay, go to the course that you want to do. I've already done on level, but I haven't done AP yet, so y'all can watch me do it. Don't go to gradebook. That's a confusing place. I never go there. Go to assignments. That's the place to go. And if you're like me, you have a lot of assignments that you don't want in Skyward. I didn't know how to make pages at first, so everything was an assignment. I have assignments, imported assignments. I just have a hot mess. Okay, so I definitely don't want that ever going in Skyward. They should sign up for AP Classroom, but that's not a grade. So I just call this ungraded. Save. That's just for me. Thank you. Imported assignments. We're going to call that more ungraded. You can call these whatever you want. Okay, so in AP Physics, we only have quizzes and tests. So I have this quiz group. Their ramp graphs are going to be a quiz grade. But then they also are going to do tests. Maybe they'll do them online. I don't know. Tests. Is it plural or not? I'll make it singular for now. We can always change it. Okay, and we want to make sure that these are weighted properly. So you hit the ... and you go assignment group weight. Weight final grade based on assignment group. Yeah, so the ungraded we want 0. That's also 0. Quizzes in my class are 30% and tests are 70%. Make sure that matches Skyward. Okay. Also on this ... if you haven't already, you want it to sync to Skyward. You want to check that box. If you haven't synced to Skyward, you do that. If you already have, don't click it again because that'll undo it. Okay, so now we go to Skyward and we make sure, let's look at the gradebook. I'm keeping it off to the side so you can't see student names. So click on the class, scroll to, no students for you. Go to categories and make sure your categories are correct. So in my class, again, it's 30% quizzes, 70% tests. If you wanted to do daily grade, you could be 10% daily grade and only 60% tests. Make sure they all add up to 100. This thing up here will remind you what they add up to. But I don't want to grade homework, so we're not doing that. So 30 and 70. Hit save. Okay, so those match. And is it quizzes or just quiz? Just quiz, just test, singular. Those have to match your assignment categories here. Okay, so now we go to grades. And we go to actions, and you can go sync to Skyward. And it'll sync your assignment. I haven't graded these graphs yet, so that's not going to sync. But when I do, they'll just show up. And that's awesome. Okay, that's how to do it.